mark in British athletics. His time was 10.1 seconds. St. Patrick's Day celebrations in New York included the traditional parade that's always a feature of the holiday. But it was held at a critical period, the day, in fact, on which the President made his big speech. Here, Mr. Truman greets Governor Dewey, and no doubt the gesture symbolizes American solidarity in world affairs. But of course, St. Patrick's Day is still St. Patrick's Day, however critical the international prospect. And here's the scene in Dublin, where President O'Kelly headed the impressive celebration. This took the form of a military parade. In fact, it was the first St. Patrick's Day march past by units of Air's Defence Forces since 1939. The display gave evidence of the country's determination to build up its defences on modern lines. Some secrets of the war